So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the WhatsApp web website. And now once you're on this, you want to click on View Site Information on the top left. Now you want to select Cookies and Site Data. And then click on Manage On-Device Site Data. You want to delete everything that comes up here. And then click on Done. Next, you want to click on this again, View Site Information. And then click on Site Settings. If you have any useless data, then you want to delete it. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. And then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. And then click on enter again. For the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.